Hi guys, bit of an update. I'm at my permission site, my shelter, at Rockwell Woods. I'm here today. It's a bit of a sad day because we've come to take it down. It's been up a year, it's stood the elements, but I don't get here as much as I like to. So today, me and the Russian have come here to take it down. Right, here we are. This is the shelter. We've started taking the roof off there, taking bits apart. That's the boiler that's coming out. As you'll see, I'll leave it tidy. But that's basically it. Moved the fire pit already. Let's take the Russian. Give me a hand.
Right, guys.
Vodka. But yeah, basically down here today. I don't get down as much due to family commitments and stuff and other things going on. As you know, I've got a new permission, so this one's got to go. Here we are at the back of the shelter now. There's Deck the Russian unchaining the fire. So yeah, it's she's been up a year. I think that's long enough. There was no damage whatsoever to it. I mean, to be honest with you, we could have spent the night in here tonight really. Nothing wrong with it. But the day's come and she is coming down. But there's the good old trusty fire. Kept me warm many a night. It's a beauty chain, isn't it? Right, I'm going to give Derek a hand with that. As you can see, it's nearly down. I've been asked to pile the wood up tidy, so I'm doing that over there. There's the wood coming.
Sad times.
Sad times. But the day after come, didn't it? So I'll carry on packing up and then we'll come back in a bit. As you can see, I've cleaned the shelter up now. It's gone. I've made a pile of wood which I was asked to do. So that's me logs and stuff. I said I'll reuse them. As you can see, I've piled some bricks up under the tree, which to be honest I picked them up from all over, so it's out the way then. People can use them for a fire pit. There's no rubbish. I've got it fairly tidy. I like this opportunity to say thanks to Steph at Brockwell for allowing me to set this camp up originally. I've really enjoyed it. I will be back. It's just because of personal commitments I can't get here as much as I like to for the purpose of a shelter. So that's basically it. Enjoyed my time here. But on to new adventures, close to the home, and you know, as subscribers will know my YouTube that I do have another woodland, 20 acres, which I haven't got too far away from mine, which is brilliant. I can use that one. But it is a nice woodland. I'll tell you what, I'll take this opportunity anyways. It's £8 a night. It's Blade and Burn near Newcastle. Get yourselves here, guys. It's worth doing. You know what's £8 when you're not going to get no bother, no hassle. But, I think if I remember right, it's around 24 acres. Like mixed woodland, a lot of birch and stuff like that. There's a nice pine forest as well. So lovely place. But that's my time with the shelter here. That's it gone now. I will be back camping with my family in the summer. That's no doubt. This isn't a farewell. This is just basically me taking the shelter down because I wasn't getting the use out of it. The last few times I'd stopped here, I'd basically stopped at a tent. So that's it.